Hey y'all, hope you're having the best day, night, weekend, whenever you see this. I hope it's beautiful. Do you ever hope something will be in design space, access images, and it just isn't quite what you're looking for? I have Creative Fabrica, and I just want to say if you have this subscription as well, I think it's totally worth it. I'll be sure to link my affiliate link below for this actual graphic if you want to make this craft too. To me, crafting is inclusive. It's not divisive. If I find groups that are divisive, I leave those. If I find people who are being outside of my character, I just go the opposite direction. This is drama-free crafting. Thank you. I hope you like, comment, subscribe. Let's make this and more together. The sublimatable space of these flags is just over 11, about 11 and a quarter inches by 16 inches high. So at 11 and a quarter, I'm gonna just do 10 and a quarter wide. We just have to select everything and flatten. Okay, y'all, we had to go all the way down to 9.9 for it to fit on 8.5 by 11. Whatever. If I had color, I would use System Dialog, but it's just black. We'll be fine. I'll be sure to link these flags below too. If you want to make one of these with me, I'll earn a small commission if you use my link, but no pressure. These are a great size, and if you pick up the garden hooks at Dollar Tree, it's a pretty good deal. I love this auto press. I'll link it too. I use the Epson EcoTank 2400. I got mine at Walmart. What kind of printer do you use? I love sublimation. We'll pre-press to get the wrinkles out. If you don't have a fancy auto press, you can totally use your easy presses. I don't think the household iron is the best for sublimation, but to start, you can always start somewhere. Alright, and if you don't have a Teflon sheet, don't stress. Parchment paper has never let me down. You could have put an offset around this and cut it out on the Cricut. I'm just going to cut it with some scissors. If you wanted to flatten it to a square and get that perfect cut, you could. It's just going in my yard. I'm not stressed. Delonda Ford always tells us perfection is overrated. And Making with Marilyn was right. Always use more tape. This auto press has a dial. You rotate to the left for time. You can go up or down, and then press the button when you're happy. You rotate to the right, and then up or down. Maxes out at 401 degrees Fahrenheit. It heats up really quickly. There's nothing to it. You don't hook it to your machine. It doesn't need any updates. You plug it in and you play. She's magic. So hot. Be careful. No ghosting. It's beautiful. I really truly feel crafting is inclusive and diverse, and we can all coexist. I'll link my Facebook group in the description too. I hope you like this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel. And I hope you leave a comment. Have a beautiful day.